Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, July 18, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, July 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 18, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, July 18, 2026. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, July 18, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, July 18, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.